Poor sleep, mental health illnesses. What comes first? Do your sleep problems lead to mental health issues? Or do mental health issues disrupt our sleep? Sleeping problems are common. A recent review showed that around 1/3 of the population experience symptoms of insomnia, 4 to 26% experience symptoms of excessive sleepiness, and 2 to 4% of people experience symptoms of obstructive sleep apnea. Mental health problems are also very common. According to a study, 1 in 5 people in Canada will experience a mental health problem. So by age 40, 50% of the population will have or will have had symptoms of mental health problems. Major depression affects approximately 5.4% of the Canadian population, and anxiety disorders affects approximately 4.6% of the population. Approximately 20% of the Canadian youth are affected by a mental health disorder. Sleep and mental health issues are huge challenges on their own, but the two can be strongly interconnected. Mental health problems can lead to difficulties during sleep. However, poor sleep can also lead to mental health problems as well. Therefore, adequate treatment of one can also benefit the other. So what's the impact of poor sleep on mental health? Lack of quality sleep can contribute to increased stress, irritability, and difficulty managing emotions. It can also impair our cognitive function, making it harder to concentrate, remember information, and make sound decisions. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of developing mental health conditions such as anxiety and depression. So how can mental health disrupt sleep? On the flip side, mental health conditions can disrupt our sleep patterns. Symptoms like anxiety, depression, and PTSD can lead to insomnia, nightmares, or frequent awakenings during the night. Racing thoughts and excessive worry can make it difficult to quiet the mind and fall asleep. So how can we break this cycle? Now that we understand the relationship between sleep and mental health, how can we break this cycle and promote overall well-being? It starts by prioritizing both sleep and mental health. Here are 5 tips that you can implement as of tonight to break the cycle. Number 1, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends as much as possible. Wear your PJs and brush your teeth at the same time to set the tone for the evening and bedtime. Number 2, create a sleep-friendly environment. Ensure that your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid going to bed if you're not tired, to create a healthy mental connection between going to bed and falling asleep. If you feel like you're having a hard time falling asleep after 15 to 20 minutes, get up, leave the room, and engage in a calming activity, preferably in a dim light room. Only go back to bed if you feel tired. Number 3, develop a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down 30 minutes to an hour before bed by engaging in calming activities such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Number 4, limit screen time before bed. I know this can be hard, but avoid using electronic devices such as smartphones and tablets at least 1 hour before sleep. Try to keep away from bright lights because it can affect the production of melatonin, a hormone that your body creates to facilitate sleep. Number 5, avoid heavy stimulants such as caffeine and large meals before or close to bedtime. So, break the cycle as of tonight. If you find yourself feeling more anxious, depressed, or irritable, or you have difficulty making it through your day, try asking yourself if your sleep might be the reason. Incorporate these 5 tips in your nightly routine for a healthier sleep hygiene, a healthier body, and a healthier mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out my previous video about ADHD and sleep. Take care of yourselves, prioritize your sleep, and nurture your mental health.